Welcome to the application Ambrish Quick Patente. Congratulations, you've just taken a very good step. Now let me guide you through the whole process to make the best of this app. This app contains all my 25 chapters very explicitly explained and the most difficult concept very easily presented to you. That is easy to understand for anybody. And then there are quizzes of respective chapters. There are 25 chapters in this. So you'll have a chapter theory and then there's a quiz. So my recommendation is that you watch the chapter of the theory and then do watch the quiz chapter of that particular chapter and then proceed the way you want to. Afterwards, you follow the same pattern for all 25 chapters. Within the application, you also find the possibility to do a quiz, practice your quiz schedas. And according to the Ambrish Quick Patente method, what you need to do is you must at least do 7 schedas per day. 7 scheda means a set of 30 sentences, and you must say vero and falso and make the best of it. Now, lots of people don't take that step because they lack motivation. They think they don't know Italian. They think they don't remember. All these excuses will not work with this app. This app will remind you it's time to do the quiz. It will not let you give up. It will not let you take a defeat. So that's why enjoy the application and share it with others if you think it's useful for somebody else.